Manithan Tamil movie summary. The film begins with a drunk Rahul Devan racing in a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado against an Audi after he is seduced by a woman in the passenger seat. He loses control and crashes into a wall on the footpath by the road. The film cuts to a court scene where Saktivel, an LLB graduate defending a surgeon against a public interest litigation, PIL, filed against him after the surgeon had his son operate upon a pregnant woman in his pursuit of Guinness Book of World Records. Sakthi loses the case but decides to move to the capital Chennai to try his luck. He happens to see prominent criminal lawyer Adhisheshan defending Rahul in a sessions court. Rahul is accused of causing death under the influence of alcohol. Adhisheshan convinces the judge that prosecution had no evidence to implicate Rahul and that he was being deliberately targeted by the media as he was from a rich family, resulting in Rahul's acquittal. Adhisheshan, though, is not satisfied with the fee paid by the Devans. Sakthi, desperate to have some money and fame, decides to pursue the case and files a PIL in the court against Rahul Devan's acquittal. After initially reprimanding Sakthi for his mistakes in filing the PIL and taking the press reports as an evidence, Justice Dhanpal gives a date for hearing and wants Sakthi to collect some evidence before the hearing. He then runs into Vijay Nair, who claims to have witnessed the accident. Then Sakthi introduces him as a witness in the court and Dhanpal, after cross-examining him, gives a date for the next hearing. He also summons Rahul to be present in the court for the hearing. Sakthi becomes a celebrity overnight and is admired by Murthy, who donates a room in his restaurant to Sakthi for using it as his office. However, Sakthi's plans turn upside down when Vijay reveals to him that he is no witness, but a crony of Adhisheshan, and it was part of a plan to extract more money from the Devan clan. As part of the deal, Nair gives Sakthi his share of the money paid by the Devans to silence Nair. Sakthi gleefully accepts the money and regrets that had he known this plan earlier, he would have demanded more money. Nair turns hostile in the court, and Sakthi accepts the statement given by Nair. Dhanpal postpones the judgment for the next hearing. Priya Dharmalingam, the cousin and fiancée of Sakthi, chides him for compromising on justice for his greed. Sakthi realizes his mistake once. Murthy slaps him for his treachery. He returns the money to Adhisheshan and challenges him to win the case. With the help of his uncle Surya, Sakthi collects the video footage of the Land Cruiser involved in the accident and presents it to the court. Though Adhisheshan counters him that the Land Cruiser was driven by the driver of the Devan family, Sakthi refutes his statement by submitting the necessary evidence. Dhanpal orders the police to provide a bodyguard for Sakthi after he was seriously beaten up by alleged assistants of Adhisheshan. Sakthi and his friends try to interview a relative of one of the victims, Muthupandi, but he says that he knows nothing. Sakthi and Priya decide to leave, but as they get on the scooter, a lorry hits them, injuring Priya. At the hospital, Muthupandi tells Sakthi that a survivor of the accident stays in Vandvasi and Sakthi and one of his friends decides to leave for Vandvasi. Inspector Selvam tries to sabotage Sakthi's investigation, but Sakthi is rescued by his bodyguard. Sakthi and journalist Jennifer arrive at Vandvasi, but the police, who captured Muthupandi, kidnap the survivor. The next day, Sakthi reveals that he brought the survivor, thanks to Muthupandi intentionally showing the police the wrong man, and Sakthi prosecutes Selvam and finds that he has botched up the investigation by declaring Kamlakannan, Raja Rishi, as dead and snatching Kamlakannan's hard-earned money to stop him from killing Kannan. Kamlakannan testifies that he woke up that night to see his family lying in a pool of blood and Rahul getting out of the car, and after seeing what he has done, Rahul spotted Kamlakannan and ran him over with his car, so no, there will be no witnesses. Kamlakannan survived, with his leg being broken. Dhanpal tells Rahul to come to the podium and orders Kannan to see if Rahul was the driver. Kannan confirms that Rahul was the one who drove the Land Cruiser. After a conclusion of arguments and counter-arguments between Adisheshan and Sakthi, Dhanpal directs the Tamil Nadu police to suspend Selvam and initiate a criminal inquiry against him, and also declares Rahul as guilty of the crime and sentences him to 14 years in jail under Section 304 and under Section 307 of the Indian Penal Code. While Sakthi celebrates with his team, Adisheshan is crestfallen over suffering defeat for the first time.